Okay, we're filming now.
Okay, we're filming.
Uh-huh.
We got a hookup to the north end of Catalan at 150 feet of water. We're hoping it's a whopper. And that's about all I know so far.
Shadow, go see what Dad's got. Go on, go see
You
what
gotta come help me, Shadow. Come on, get up here and help.
Whoa! I better sit down.
What you need to do is get that little gap down.
What little gap?
Where the tail. Carol Davy.
Oh, okay.
On your bed, get up.
I'm getting the gap. There goes the dog bolt.
Okay.
Here's the gap.
Oh, no, take the end of it off.
Well, hang on.
That's a bonita.
Oh. I can't get this off.
You don't need it. Okay, that's enough.
It's bait, Shadow. No. Okay.
Hey!
End of movie.